All right, so this just in, I have to leave for 6 months for military training. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and yeah, we are outside finally for a video like this. I don't think I've done a vlog in, my God, it's probably been like a year or something like that. It's been a long time. Anyway, I just had to come back to my house because I totally forgot my camera, this one that you're looking at right now. Totally forgot it. Had to grab it because Alex and I are actually going on a little trip, and we're actually bringing the dogs and everything like that. So we got everything packed in the car, as you see back here, Alex's car, not mine. So we're gonna go ahead and show you real quick. We got everything packed and ready to go. Let's go ahead and check out and see what the dogs are doing. Hi, little guys. I know they're in the back. I hate doing this to them, but hey, hi puppies, hello. Okay, so we just basically gotta go grab Alex. She's at the post office, and she's dropping off a couple things before we leave. And we're gonna go ahead and head over to our location. We are actually going to Leavenworth, Washington for a little trip. Just a couple days, you know, just to have a little fun with each other and, you know, go do some hiking and everything like that. So, yeah, we had the opportunity to take the dogs, so we thought it'd be fun. So let's go ahead and go grab Alex, and I'll probably have her co-pilot me and use the camera because I'll probably be driving the entire time. So anyway, let's go do that. There she is. Come on, get in. How'd it go?
So great.
Was there a lot of people in there?
Yes.
Okay. Well, let's go. You ready?
Yes.
All right.
Hi, babies. Hi.
Are you guys ready to go on a trip? Not like that noise.
You're okay. Bella, you're fine.
Alex, look at that backdrop behind you. We have arrived. And the first thing we got to do, of course, is throw the ball for the dogs. Bella, come here. Come here. Good girl. Drop the ball. Here you go. Ready? Ready? This is all they love to do. Look at this. Look at the backdrop behind you. So we are now in Leavenworth, Washington squad. And look at this. It's a little, you can't see all of it, but it's a little Bavarian town in Washington, and the backdrop is super nice, as you can see. Just snowy mountains, greenery, and everything looks German and Bavarian. It's pretty cool, huh? So yeah, honestly, I think after this, all we're going to do is go walk around the town, right?
Before we walk around the town.
Yeah, we can't check into our Airbnb until like 4, and it's like 1. So yeah, we're gonna probably go eat some lunch, and then yeah, go walk around the town and go check it out, and then we'll head to our Airbnb from there. And then we'll show you guys where we're staying, because it's pretty cool. What do you think? You like it? I think it was a good choice, Alex. So Alex made this booking. Well, we did it together, but she kind of took care of it. I think she did great. Look at this thing. This looks awesome. Nice little A-frame. It's kind of cool. All right, so first thing, we got a hot tub. This thing looks really cool, you guys. Look at this. So you guys already saw we were in like a super Bavarian looking town, so they got these like really cool A-frame houses out here that you can stay in too. Very nice. All right, let's check out the digs. Look at this thing. Little A-frame. This is dope, you guys. Look at this. Nice little hangout spot. Got a friggin' TV up here. Just hang out on the couch, whatnot. Alex is stoked about it. Nice little couch here. This is all you guys. Honestly, this is all we need. Look at this kitchen, everything like that. Let's go upstairs real quick. Let's check this out up here before I take you guys outside. Here we go. Let's go up here. This is the loft. Up here. So look at this. There's room for like a lot of people to sleep up here, but obviously I think Alex and I are probably just gonna take this bed right here. But if we had friends or whatever, more people with us, we could have them sleep back here. And then of course there's like a little window that goes outside. So yeah, it's pretty cool. What do you think, Alex?
It is so sweet.
Pretty neat, right? The dogs are freaking out. They don't know what to do. What are you guys doing? What? I know, you guys don't want to come up here, do you? The dogs are freaking out because they couldn't figure out how to get upstairs. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I know. Come on. Where are we, huh? Where are we, Mav? Hello. Yes. All right, and here is the sick deck we got back here. We got a freaking, look at that, propane already provided. Nice. We got a freaking little gas stove right there to cook our food on. Nice deck to go chill outside, and it is beautiful out here. It's nice, just surrounded by trees, secluded. Very, very nice. Exactly what we wanted. Dope. Look at this thing. Maverick, you are getting dirty. So we found this super dope little river access area next to where we're staying. So we're taking the dogs down here. You guys, don't forget, if you have a dog, clean up after your animal. Grab the doggy bags, clean them up, okay? I don't want to see your dog poop everywhere. All right, guys, so this is what it's all about. This is why we came out here. There's nature. Our dogs are having a great old time. And honestly, so are we. We love this kind of stuff. There's like not a single other soul out here. It's just us. Look at this. Bella's having the time of her life. She's just loving the water. Our dogs love water. They just love to get out. So we're having a great time. Honestly, we're just going to spend a little time here, you guys. We're going to soak up a little bit of this sun because, oh my God, it feels nice, let me tell you. And let the dogs play, get them tired. And we're probably just going to go back, chill. And we'll probably see you guys tomorrow for a couple hikes and whatnot. So we'll see you later.
Day 2.
All right, so this just in, I have to leave for 6 months for military training. Yeah, so I told a few of you guys this may be happening, and if you guys watch my streams, you probably already know this is happening because I talk about it quite a bit. But for those of you that maybe haven't caught the other videos of my streams with that in it, this is what's happening, you guys. It's a thing that I knew that was gonna happen eventually. I was actually supposed to do this probably like 2 years ago when I left for my basic training, but because I'm in the Air National Guard, slots for my career field, which is a video broadcaster in public affairs, they couldn't find a slot for me for the longest time. And because of COVID and all that kind of stuff, it got pushed back even more. So basically this is what's happening. I gotta leave for my technical training for 6 months. And yeah, what does that mean for the YouTube channel? Well, guys, Let me explain.